the last step, what we are going to do is to integrate with Redux. For that, we will install a package that is called Connected React Router that will facilitate this integration. It will provide us with several components and methods that we will be using. We go to the Redux provider, and the first thing that we have to do is from Redux import compose and apply middleware. That are two extra methods that Redux provided to improve the store creation. We will also have to import from this new library a method that is called connect router, a component, connected router, and another extra method, router middleware, from connected React router. And we will use history library that with a method create browser history from this library that has already been installed by other npm package. And you can see here that instead of game component, in this case Redux provider will render our header that is imported from header component and main from main component. So instead of game, our Redux provider will render header with the links to choose the path or the root, and main component that will render either home or the game. So let's start using these methods. The first thing would be to create a const called history. I call this create browser history method. Now, in the store creation, I will restructure it like this, just to separate the params. Instead of just the global state, what we are going to do is to call this method connect router that will receive the history. Let me check. History and global state. As a second param, the initial state, and as a third param, the create stored method can receive a middleware, and we will compose the different middlewares that will be applied. In this case, just a router middleware with the history as a param. In the future, we will add here more middlewares to the store. This is the way that we enhance our store. Sometimes they are called enhancers. So we are going to use compose and apply middleware from Redux and router middleware from connected React router. And this is our new improved store. Finally, what we have to do is to add this new component, connected router, that has as a param history object, history. And I will close it, and the rest, the closing tag, will be wrapping this div. So our connected router is inside the provider, and it has as a child our app that now has header and main. Well, let's try everything just to see if we have any error that could be shown either here or in the browser. And if we have now the three links here, click, and the game will be working. Thank you very much.